Hello everyone and welcome back to another video and another review. So today we are unboxing and reviewing a new security system. This time it's a wired system that is promising high quality and robust performance, which is the Onwote security system. The brand is known for its high-end security solutions and has been in the game for a while. So stick around till the end to learn all about it and also discover why I would suggest a wired security system than a wireless one. With no further ado, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the design. The cameras are housed in an IP66 metal aluminum housing, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This durable housing ensures the cameras are weatherproof and can withstand various environmental conditions. This security system also has the Smart AI human vehicle detection. This feature can detect humans and vehicles among moving objects, triggering NVR recording and sending motion alerts to your mobile device. This reduces false alarms and saves storage space. The system boasts 6 megapixel Ultra HD resolution, providing a 110-degree wide field of view. This ensures that every detail is captured with crystal clear clarity. The system supports Power over Ethernet or PoE, making it truly plug and play. PoE means the NVR provides power to the cameras via Ethernet cables, simplifying installation and eliminating the need for separate power supplies, which is a really unique and really useful feature. You can expand the system to support up to 16 4K 8 megapixel PoE cameras, providing multiple add-on options to cover every corner of your property. The NVR comes pre-installed with a 2TB HDD, and there is an additional HDD port that supports up to 10 TB, ensuring ample storage for your recordings. The system also supports 8-channel synchronous playback, allowing you to review footage from multiple cameras simultaneously. This feature, combined with the person-vehicle event filter, makes finding specific video events efficient and straightforward. The Smart Dual Light technology enhances security by turning on bright spotlights when a human or vehicle is detected. This not only provides color night vision, but also acts as a deterrent to potential intruders. You get instant alerts on your mobile device when motion is detected by a person or vehicle. The smart detection helps reduce false alarms and saves storage by only recording relevant events. The Smart Color Night Vision feature switches from infrared lights to bright spotlights when a human or vehicle is detected, providing clear color night vision. You can speak with ease through the camera's built-in microphone and speaker using the free Onwote app. This two-way communication feature allows you to listen and talk back in real time. It also allows you to hear and speak to anyone through the camera, adding an extra layer of security and convenience. The system also includes a custom zone feature, allowing you to receive alerts only from key areas, while private areas will not be recorded. With 4K superior definition, the system provides 8 million pixels and a 125-degree diagonal field of view, ensuring superior image quality and coverage. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about the Onwote security system. I hope you guys found this review helpful in deciding whether it's the best for your security needs. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech-related content. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and enhance your security system. See you in the next video. Peace.